So we'll take off in this, and then you can tell me what you think.
All right.
You ready?
Okay.
You taking the photo of?
White trash, white claw, don't care.
These long ones hold the rocker shaft steady. And these clamps right here prevent the rocker arms from sliding. The transmission is currently out of the car. Getting a performance clutch, the clutch that came with the car is bad. Happens to be the flywheel bolts are weak right now, so we had to order 6 new ones, and those will be here tomorrow. And that'll be getting installed tomorrow, very quickly by me, of course. I'm promoting the business, Brenton, very well.
So here we are, guys. Brenton's gonna try and tune my RC car. See what happens.
I do know a guy that tunes those. I guess they would tune the gas ones. I guess you can't really tune the electric ones, can you?
It's crazy.
Is it?
You can do everything. Scale them, the parameters, the gear ratios, everything.
Yeah, I guess he did like, he had boats and planes and shit, but like the cars were like his thing. Yeah.
He's like, that's how we get away with it.
Good afternoon. We're just doing final data logging on this F8. It's got high flow filters, custom tuning, catless downpipes, full exhaust, all Valvetronic from FI. But this is a nice, for minor stuff, just air filters, exhaust, and tuning. It's a drastic improvement over stock, and the car sounds phenomenal. So we'll take off in this, and then you can tell me what you think.
All right.
You ready?
Okay.
Pretty impressive, I think.
We're picking up the man, the myth of the hour. We're picking up Alex from the airport. He's coming to pay a visit for the holiday weekend and come down to relax and hopefully get some one-wheeling in and get some stuff done around the shop, but mostly hang out and relax and have a good time. Always a fun time, and when Storm and Alex comes to town, our boy doesn't come by much often anymore since he got a new managerial job.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, get you.
Now what?
Yeah, no, I gotta call.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the buffs. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You gonna mess around, I tell you what. And you know what hell, you know what happens. I hate for that truck to find a new parking spot. I'm just saying, it happens around here. So when you're ready to go home today on a Friday, you ain't going. Because you got work to do, son.
Oh shit!
What I say? I said I'd do it, and I'll do it.
so funny that you say I'm bad on camera, because how do I act any different off camera than I do on camera? I don't. Just go f*** yourself.
Good.
In the process of dropping this rear end on this Demon and installing it with our 4-link rear ends. That's what I'm doing right now.
Maybe a mold. Maybe
Oh my God.
See, only cool people have 4 wheels.
Dude,
Only
they're
the
gonna waste some
coolest.
money.
The coolest.
18.
1,800.
Yeah.
Kiss my ass. $1,800.
I got 32 in mine. Dude, I tell you, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. This is the biggest stress relief for me. Like, keeps me from wanting to go break people's neck.
Hey, I sold my Denali for $7,500, and what's the first thing I did? I went and bought an own wheel.
You gonna go ride with them tonight?
Go right. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You
Whenever
got
you ask
to.
me what I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I do not like getting hurt.
You would have cringed when you seen Alex.
So what we have here is our Challenger Charger bolt-in 4-link suspension unit. So it's a modular unit, and what it does is it allows you to unbolt the stock rear subframe and convert the car from independent rear suspension to a 4-link suspension. Any of y'all that are into racing and everything, this is the optimal suspension system that you want for drag racing, road course, anything else. It has the best traction out of anything. So this also not only increases traction, but it increases reliability. This makes the components in the back drastically stronger. It fully encases the rear differential, so it's sandwiched in between for maximum strength. It eliminates deflection on the axles, so the axles are much stronger whether you use stock or aftermarket. And it gives you full adjustability, so you can adjust your anti-squat just like you would on a regular drag car, and you can daily drive this and it does not void warranty. So if you don't want to mess with the engine and you just want the car to be faster with improved traction, this is perfect. We can set this up very easily to accommodate 15-inch rear wheels with minimal modification. So there's a really awesome upgrade, and this is where we're going to be adding in the Demon build.
Brenton, how's the install going?
Smooth as silk.
You remember Robert Milky's car? Oh, the badass. What was it? A red eye, I believe. Yeah. What about it?
So he wanted to get a print of his car with everybody at Forza's signature on it,
that's
including yours, since you ceramic coated.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Famous around here.
I
Let's
know.
do it.
Because I mean, this customer, that was a shock to see when that guy walked in and go, "Hey, I'm here to pick up my car." I'm like, okay, that wasn't who I was thinking owned this car, but
That's like I asked him. I said, "What are you gonna do with this build? What made you go all out?" He goes, "Oh, I just want to cruise around on Saturdays and race some Mustangs." I was dying laughing.
yeah,
So there's a few Mustangs in town that I would like to race.
like shit, you got no problem racing them. Be wasting them.
I think it looks badass.
Dookie, watch this. Duke is terrified of me. I have no absolute reason why. Let's come down. Dookie.
Good job, Sarah. Look at you opening your eyes.
You signed this car, right, Brian?